All right, let's take a look at another neighborhood right here in Savannah, Georgia. Guys, this video that you're about to see is part of a playlist. I have a playlist on my channel. Actually, I have a bunch of playlists, but this one is called Savannah Highlands. So just go back to my channel later, click on playlists, and you're gonna see a bunch of different neighborhoods and playlists of communities, okay? So here it is. Welcome to Savannah Highlands. First, this one is not in the flood zone, okay? If you wanted to go downtown, it will take you about 30 minutes to go from here to River Street. Also, if you're in the military, like I was for 6 years, it will take you about 35 minutes to go from here all the way to Hunter Army Airfield. But if you wanted to go to the beach, right, enjoy some time with the kids in the water, it will take you about 45 to 50 minutes all the way to Tybee Island Beach. Now, let's say something happens to you. You need to go to the hospital. It will take you about 30 minutes to get to the hospital from here. Now let's talk about the HOA. As you know, a lot of people hate HOA. This one does have an HOA that at the moment in 2024, it's about $770 a year. Now it gives you access to the clubhouse, the pool, the tennis courts, and pretty much the common area maintenance. Now, guys, I'm gonna have to say that again. Please understand HOA fees and home prices always change. So if you're watching this video a year down the road, maybe 2 years down the road, the community is gonna look exactly the same, but the HOA fees might be different, okay? So just keep that in mind. Real quick, if you're from out of the state, you're not too familiar with Savannah, Pooler, how to compare areas, just send me a text message or email me, it doesn't matter. But I would like to send you something that I created and I put together. I update it maybe every 40 days or so. And it's called the Out of the State Buyer's Guide, okay? So just send me a text message or call me and then I'll email it to you or send it to you by text. Okay, back to the community. In this one, you will find homes anywhere from 2006 all the way to new construction. Now, like I said before, I'm recording this in 2024. So when I say new construction, I mean 2024. That's what I mean. By the way, I'm offering good incentives for people who are buying new construction homes. So if that's you, you know what to do. Just send me a text message and then we can discuss it. But yeah, also something that I need to tell you guys is this. In Savannah, Pooler, Port Wentworth, Richmond Hill, and all of those towns, you're not gonna find homes that are extremely customized, right? I know I get a lot of calls from people from California, Washington, Texas, Houston, you know, well, Houston is Texas, but you know what I mean. New York, Miami, all of those places, they have a certain type of real estate, like a style of homes, okay? Georgia, of course, is different. This is not Atlanta. This is a smaller city. So you have to keep in mind, the majority of the new construction sites that you're gonna see in this area are gonna be places where the homes are very similar from each other. They are maybe 4 or 5 different floor plans throughout the whole community, okay? So if that's something that annoys you to the extreme, then it might not be a good fit, but obviously a lot of people love it. We are a very active market. There's about 7,000 sales for the whole year in this area of the market. So there's a lot of people right now buying houses in the area, and I know a lot of you guys are concerned about the interest rates, which I know, of course, can always fluctuate and change, but it is what it is, okay? We are on a seller's market right now in Savannah. Well, pretty much in Savannah, Effingham County, Bryan County, and all of that. So you always have to keep that in mind. I've noticed a pattern of buyers, home buyers, who always ask me, hey, Bruno, I know we are on a seller's market. I know that the home has multiple offers, but what do you think we should offer? What do you think we should offer? And my question is, my answer to you is, it always depends on how much you like the home, okay? How much do you like it? How do you feel about the house? And you have to put yourself in the position of the seller as well. Keep this in mind. If the home has been on the market only for 1 week or maybe 3 days, and they already have 2 offers in 2 days, do you think that they are going to accept a lower offer from you? Just think about it. Put yourself in the position of a seller. Would you even do that? If you were the seller and you know for a fact that you received 3 offers in less than a week, why would you even consider something lower than what you're asking? Does that make sense? So that answers the question for you. So you have to be competitive. and you have to know that it's not to the realtor to own your offer, right? At the end of the day, you will be the one paying for the mortgage. You will be the one having to deal with the maintenance, the HOA, and all of that. So whatever offer you make on any home when you are in a seller's market, you have to make the best possible offer you can make based on your situation, based on your finances, based on how much you like the house, and based on how much and how competitive you want to be. Does that make sense? The realtor has nothing to do, well, it has something to do with guiding you, but you cannot make your realtor own the offer, okay? So we, together as a team, we need to reflect, ask each other some questions, take a look at the house, take a look at the market, take a look at your finances, and then go from there, all right? By the way, I don't want to keep talking about how to do offers or whatever, because that's not the point of this video. I wanted to share with you a few other towns that you can consider, like Midway, Pooler, Richmond Hill, Port Wentworth, Rincon, Guyton, and all of that. So if that's you, go online, search those towns, or call me, and maybe I can help you. Well, guys, that's it for now. You got my number on the screen. You know what to do. You can call me or text me anytime. By the way, I do not work with apartments or land. I used to work with lands and rentals. I no longer do that, unfortunately, because of logistical issues that I was having with it. And yeah, so only residential sales, and that's it. So see you guys next time.